Hello students, and welcome back. Today we will be talking about the zero product property. Now this was a highly requested video so students could understand more in-depthly what the zero product property is and what it does when involving quadratics. So, to start us off, you need to know that if A times B equals 0, then A equals 0 or B equals 0, or both. They could both end up equaling 0. Now right now, this might seem very confusing, but once we work through the equation, it should all make sense. So, our equation today is x squared minus 9x plus 20 equals 0. So, and this is x here, x there. Now because this is a negative and this is a positive, what we can know is that both the signs are going to end up being negative. Okay? And then what is a factor that is 20, that multiplies to 20, but sums to 9? Go ahead. Yes, it is 4 and 5. So, we can quickly check it. X squared, and then minus 5x, minus 4x, and plus 20, and looky there, we get our original statement. So, we know that this works so far. So now, to solve it all the way, we will set x minus 4 equals 0, and we'll move it to the other side to get x equals 4. And then, to solve the other one, we'll get x minus 5 equals 0, and move it to the other side to get this. So far, these are our two answers that we're trying to see if they follow the zero product property or not. So, how we do that is you plug in, we're going to start with 4, and we're going to plug it in to the original equation to get 4 squared minus 9 times 4 plus 20 equals 0. So, 4 squared is 16, and minus 9 times 4 is 36, plus 20 equals 0, okay? And then we're going to subtract 36. Well, first we'll add 20 and 16 to get 36, and this will end up subtracted to be 36. So these are going to cross out and end up being 0 equals 0. So, now what we know is that 4 does work. It follows the zero product property, and it is correct. So, 4 is good. But now, let's try testing out 5. So, we'll get 5 squared minus 9 times 5 plus 20 equals 0. So, 25 minus 45 plus 20. And if we add equals 0. And if we add the 20 and the 25, we're going to end up getting 45 minus 45 equals 0. And this one works as well. So, those, and it'll end up being 0 equals 0. So this answer is correct as well. So basically, what I was saying in the beginning, how if A times B equals 0, then A equals 0 or B equals 0. Now, we replace the A and the B with our solution, and it equaled 0. And we did that for both of them. So it works both ways. And that is basically what the zero product property is saying. Now, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always contact me through YouTube. Go ahead and smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely night.